The grasshopper is happy. He jumps and he sings.
I eat sunny and I'm happy.
Soon the grasshopper sees an ant. The ant is busy.
I'm very busy.
The ant has got some netting on its back.
What have you got, Ant? I've got a leaf.
The grasshopper laughs.
Oh, Ant, it's sunny. Don't come and play with me.
The grasshopper flies in the sun, but the ant can't fly. The ant walks.
No, grasshopper. I'm busy. Goodbye.
Oh, the ant